Hello and welcome back, guys. So in this particular problem, we need to calculate the sum of elements greater than a given number. Right. To do that, we can create a new list and then do it in a way. Right. So perhaps just to return. Right. And then just to sum. And inside the sum, we can have the numbers. Right. So for or I in numbers if uh, I is greater than equals to n. That's it. That's all we will do. We will use a list comprehension which will check for if I is greater or equals to n, and then we get the I, and then we just simply add it up. Okay, so that's my proposed solution for this problem. Let me run the code. What happened? 15. Right, 7, and then that was 15. Okay, it just wants the greater than, that's it. Okay, so not the equals to. Okay, that should work. All right, let me submit the code. Let's see the solution. Let me just quickly check the solution if anyone else has anything. Yeah, pretty much same. Right. Yeah, some people will do the for loop, of course, right? So yeah, that's how we can solve this particular problem. Thank you for your time. Take care. Bye bye.